Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, class 8. We have to do maths work, and this is exercise number 1.3 which we started. So first part we have done, and today we have to do second part, the sets of natural and integers. N stands for natural numbers and Z stands for integers. So we have to solve this question and we have to draw the Venn diagrams for this. So we have to prove the commutative law of union and intersection. So the commutative law for union is N union Z is equals to Z union N, and the second we have to prove it for intersection. This is natural set intersection integers, N intersection Z is equals to Z intersection N. In commutative law we have to prove these both things. So we have to start the solution. We have to find natural set union integers and Z integers union natural set. So natural set, we know that this is a set which have all positive numbers. So started from 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on up to infinity. That's why I put some dots here. After that, this is a set of integers. It is started from 0 and all the positive and negative numbers are included in this. So 0, plus minus 1, plus minus 2 and so on up to infinity. Whenever natural set of integers are given, so we don't have the extra last number in this. Now we have to start the left hand side, natural set union Z. We have to write the natural set first, then union sign and then integers, then Z set. After that, when we have to combine this both, definitely an integer set comes here, because 0 plus all positive numbers are here, so positive merge in this, and we have 0 plus minus 1 plus minus 2 and so on up to infinity. And when we have to draw the Venn diagram of it, we have to first draw a circle for natural set and second circle for the integers, and the common elements are 1, 2, 3 and so on up to infinity. And in integers, the numbers which are left, these are 0, minus 1, minus 2, all the negative numbers will be left. And you have seen the answer that integer set comes here. So you have to means all the positive, negative and 0 numbers. So integers and natural set we have to combine, and this is N union Z. Shading is showing the answer. Now Z union integers, Z union natural set, right hand side we have to prove now. So first we have to write the set of integers, then set of natural numbers, and then we have to combine this. So again 0 plus minus 1 plus minus 2 will come, and we have to draw the same Venn diagram for this. And this shading part, the diagram will remain same in all parts, but the shading will be different. So this is because left hand side is equals to right hand side, so that's why these both are same. After that we have to prove N intersection Z in Z intersection N. First we have to write this as it is. Natural set we have to write, intersection integers we have to write. Then what will be the common element? The common elements are natural set, means the positive numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on up to infinity. Same diagram you have to draw here, and then you have to shade only this portion, only the positive numbers, right? After that you have to prove the right hand side. Same steps you have to do, and similar in this right hand side you have to shade this portion, this positive portion. So with this we have to write Z intersection N and N intersection Z. After that left hand side is equals to right hand side, so it is proved. From Venn diagram you can also check that both the diagrams are same in union and both the diagrams are same in intersection. This is all about first question, part number 2, union and intersection with the help of commutative law. So this is all about.